Hey, it's Yo-Yo here. We're back again. We found some new things at Michael's on Tuesday morning, and they're all home decor. So I hope you enjoy. And don't forget, subscribe, leave a comment, and give me a thumbs up. Thanks. Hey, here's my first find here. I love these little jars in a set of 3. They were at Michael's, and they were 60% off. So after the 60% off, they come out to $7.20 for a set of 3. I think those would be cute with some tea lights on them as a little housewarming gift. So check it out. Hey, this is my favorite find of the weekend. It was at Michael's. It was wall decor that was $100, but it's 70% off. So that makes it only $30. And I think I want to use it as a centerpiece on my island. I think this is a great find. Check it out. Hey, these I found at Michael's. These are some crates. I've used them in the past for storage for my craft supplies and planner supplies, but I think they might be neat in a pantry. Just a different way to use them. Good idea? I don't know. Hey, here's a different version of that wall decor piece I showed you earlier. It's got grains on it. That's really cool too. That would make a neat centerpiece. You know, you guys can find different ways to use it. I never like to use an item as it's supposed to be used. Some a little different like that. Hey, this is my favorite item. This right here, I bought this for myself in January. Do you see that? Price estimated value is $80. It's $19.99 at Tuesday morning. This thing was so plush. It's one of my favorite things this year. Check it out. Hey, here's a few odd and ends I saw at Tuesday morning. I thought I'd share. Enjoy. Thank you for stopping by my channel. Please leave any messages or comments, and please give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you, and see you next time.